this is clearly a pickup line that he uses on a girl.
No, I was lying down trying to get some sun, and they threw a fake
a
spider
fake
on me.
spider.
It landed here.
Right.
Yeah,
Yeah, you're getting there.
he says outrageous things and slightly shocking things, and I would notice Diana would laugh and enjoy that. He's still learning how to give interviews. He shouldn't say half these things, and avoid
He said
bad
most of it what
language
I'm telling is
and
lies.
avoid scratching, like, private parts and things in interviews. And if he can avoid, all this shit, I don't do all this. I don't believe in all this crap.
Well, we have this team of Cocktail, Saif Ali Khan, Deepika Padukone and Diana Penty here on Bollywood Hungama. Huge pleasure to have you on Bollywood Hungama.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And most of the stuff that we've been hearing about Cocktail is through the promos because you guys have been away shooting. What sort of responses have you been getting while you were shooting in Turkey, in fact? We've already spoken about that. You can start.
Ask her to start. Why didn't you start?
I wasn't in Turkey.
I think from the first promo and first poster of this film, we've all been lucky to receive a tremendously positive response from the audience,
Right.
which is a great thing. I mean, I think from the first poster they saw and the first time they heard the music and saw the promos, has generated I'm scared to say, young and fresh and lots of fun has been the vibe. So that's great.
We've taken some bites from your promos, in fact, some of the dialogues that we have taken. And if you can just try and give maybe a fresh interpretation to those dialogues. क्या आप believe करते हैं love at first sight में या मैं दोबारा घूम कर आऊँ?
It's a pickup line. It can't be anything else.
Do it with any other dialogue.
Because this is clearly a pickup line that he uses on a girl.
I was just thinking, क्या आप believe करते हैं love at first sight में या मैं दोबारा घूम के आऊँ?
मैंने लाइफ में कभी इतना गिरा हुआ बदतमीज और बेशरम इंसान नहीं देखा है. How you react to it now? You said it in the film.
I clearly did not like the person I was saying that about.
You did not like that at the point of time.
Yeah.
मैंने लाइफ में कभी इतना गिरा हुआ बदतमीज और बेशरम इंसान नहीं देखा है.
आपको देखकर ऐसी अनकंट्रोलेबल अर्ज हुई आपसे कि बात करने की, मैंने अपने आप को रोक ही नहीं पाया.
This was like a line that you have to say to a girl that you've seen for the first time to, chat her up. But the interesting thing was, Homie said, say it with your mouth full of sandwich. So you can't understand actually what he's saying. So it was interesting in that sense. Well, you know what I mean? Your mouth is full of bread.
Do it.
Right now,
Right. Yeah, you're getting there.
yeah.
Okay, how was the experience of working with Homi Arjania after all these years? Being Cyrus was the last film that you guys did together, and totally different film.
I have come to a conclusion, right? Before you should ask these girls.
Sure.
And my thing is that I think Illuminati Films, the production, was actually formed mentally during being Cyrus.
Okay.
Because that's where I met Dinesh Vijan, and him and I got along really well, and we thought that we had the same outlook on films and on a few important things in life.
Sure, sure.
And we had a lot of fun also. Believe it or not, we used to go running together in Panchgani. Yeah, with Dinu. I thought the unbelievable part would be him running, but that's backfired slightly. Okay, so and we'd talk about our dreams, and we'd like to make this film, and we'd like to get paid more than the little bit that we're getting paid, and we used to have these fantasies. And Homi Arjania was our first director. Dimple Kapadia was also acting in the movie, and all these people, about 5 years later, are in the first mainstream kind of film we made together, called Cocktail. So that's quite interesting. As far as working with Homi goes, he's a great guy, but let the girls tell you, because...
Okay, your experience of working with Homi Arjania?
It's been brilliant actually. I love the fact that I've been able to be a part of this really commercial love story which Homi has kind of interpreted in his own way and made it his own, giving it that kind of edge. I feel like visually it hasn't been treated in the same way that most other, typical commercial love stories have been. And that's something that I really love about.
You guys are having a lot of fun in Second Hand Jawani, I think. I believe that song was shot after the movie was
That
completed.
song was shot last.
Last, in fact. So how was the experience of Second Hand
Very
Jawani?
good,
Because
yeah.
I'm sure that by that point of time you must have got a hang of just being in front of camera and all that stuff.
Yes.
That was the reason as well?
That it was a completely fun space where everyone was just, having a good time and I think that kind of came across.
Okay.
You're not going to ask Deepika how she felt working with Homi.
Bilkul.
But can I say also, the thing about him with her, which she's giving a very regular answer.
Right.
But the thing is, he's got a really funny sense of humor, and it's disarming.
Sure.
So he says outrageous things and slightly shocking things, and I would notice Diana would laugh and enjoy that, and then it would relax her, and all three of us would be on the same page really with Homi, because there was no the kind of humor and his personality would just knock down all blocks or whatever, however you want to put it.
Right.
And I think it made it much easier for us to act together. And
In fact, I spoke to him and he said that this is not his sensibility primarily, but
he'd say
he
things
adapted
that
to
would
that.
offend most people, and you didn't find it offensive at all. Yeah. So that says a lot about her
Sure,
and all of us.
Right. No, when I spoke to him, he said that it's not really his sensibility, but he adapted it quite well and he enjoyed the entire process of it.
Yeah, he's still learning how to give interviews. He shouldn't say half these things. And avoid
He said
bad
most of it, what
language
I'm telling you is
and
nice.
avoid scratching private parts and things in interviews. And if he can avoid, all this shit, I don't do all this, I don't believe in all this crap. He has to not use bad words. But he's super talented and really hardworking, and I'm glad that the industry has got a well-rounded kind of exposed director who's, I mean, you imagine him swimming with dolphins on a National Geographic program. and
Right. He travels all over. Okay, Deepika Padukone, Dimple Kapadia has a dialogue in the film. And she says that, "Tu ladki achhi hai, bas dhang ke kapde pehna kar." So how do you look back at it now? And there's a very interesting moment after that when Baman Irani tells you something and you just, yeah.
But fortunately or unfortunately, I've never had that sort of experience.
Right.
But I'm going to talk about actually working with Dimple ji, and I think she's absolutely amazing. I mean, we've all seen her, we've seen her on screen, but she was like one of us, and I think I was in complete awe when I just saw her with her big luminous hair, and she's so glamorous even today that actually that scene was really easy for me, because I just sat and I was just looking at her like that, and that's what I had to do, because in that scene I'm actually absorbing the maternal instinct and the maternal qualities that she has towards her son, and that's something that came to me very naturally because she treated me like one. She made me feel so special. So I would just sit and watch her like that, and she's just beautiful.
तू लड़की अच्छी है, बस ढंग के कपड़े पहना कर.
For your first film, this is the ideal choice for you?
It's perfect. You couldn't have asked for more.
Why do you say that?
Because everything came together so beautifully. It was the story, the character that I had to play, Saif, Deepika, Homi, Dinesh. Everybody was just, I don't know, everyone was just, it was like everything was just placed perfectly for me to, and I couldn't, it was just brilliant.
Also, sorry, times have changed slightly, from that classic launch of a girl doing at 16 or, doing a love story with...
She had a classical launch.
Yeah-ish.
She had, I think, it couldn't have been more classical than that.
Yeah.
She actually played...
But I don't, what I'm saying is it's not 100% required anymore. It's not the only kind of launch anymore.
Right.
This
I think
is
she's
also
having
very
equal
legit.
footing. It seems like she's having an equal footing. So I think this should be a good beginning in a way.
Things like equal footing and expressions like that are a little old-fashioned in
Right.
terms of... It is, of course, it's a very important role. But she's also given a lot to the film, because if you see the three of us together,
Sure.
her being new has kind of made us all look a little new. And that's great. So we're actually vampires.
Also, I've always believed that it's not really how much screen time you have. You can come in for one, and in the West, this is very, very common. You can come in for one scene and create an impact and leave. So or you can be in a whole film and people may just not like you in it. So it really doesn't matter what your screen time is, but it's when you're there, what you do and the magic that you create.
Right. And Imtiaz Ali's script, do you like that fact? He's a phenomenal
It's
director
exciting
and
for
writer.
us to say, it's great. And this is actually a story that he had narrated to me when we were deciding which film we should produce first.
Ji.
So he had this really nice idea about this. He narrated a few scenes at the beginning and we liked it. But Dinesh Vijan really liked it and followed it up with him and had it developed into a script and actually bought it from Imtiaz. So it's nice that very often directors direct their own material.
Sure.
But if you get a great writer to write a script, then get another interesting technician to realize that vision,
Sure.
is the combination that makes it interesting. So, but
Also,
great
even
thanks to
though
Imtiaz.
their style of directing is very similar, Homi and Imtiaz as directors, their style is very similar, but their sensibilities are very different. So I think that sort of for this film has worked because it's a
Style
very
is similar in what manner?
I don't know, I felt that. I don't know if you felt that. I felt like the way Imtiaz directed me in Love Aajkal is very similar to the way Homies directed me in Cocktail. Can't explain what that is, but they talk you through a scene and they talk so much about
Maybe
about
Imtiaz
it.
told Homi, direct like this.
Like this.
Okay, just kidding.
Okay, you enjoyed Yaria?
Yeah, yes.
You have to see your making of Yaria.
We actually-
I can't believe he's the same guy. You have to see the making. He's like fooling around with the guitar and making all these funny faces, and then he's suddenly giving this intense.
But this is the only film that one has done that in, you know. I know what she's saying because you get into a zone and then, you know, you can have a little bit of fun also. But there are other makings. There was a making of some other song.
Secondhand,
No, the one with the spider, which is not printed. You have to see
I've
that.
seen.
I think it's really funny.
It's Yaria.
Oh, it's Yari.
Yeah.
Apparently, you're making a lot of faces.
No, I was lying down trying to get some sun and they threw a
Threw
fake
a
spider
fake
on me. It
spider.
landed here.
Right.
And I
you
screamed like a
ran.
girl and ran. And then I said, okay, do it again. And then I gave a much more macho reaction. Like, I don't know, you're not finding this funny, but maybe you can get it.
I've not seen the making, maybe that is why.
Yeah.
Okay.